Welcome to Vlogmas day 15. I just set my camera up in this little door handle holder thingy. I'm actually on my way to go get sushi with Samantha and Elise, who are those two girls that I met at Urban Outfitters that watch my videos. Literally baffles my mind that they knew who I was. When I met them, we only spoke for like 5 to 10 minutes, so I don't really know that much about them, but I'm really excited to like hang out with them because they seemed so cool. And then after lunch, I really need to like buckle down and get super focused because I need to write a blog post, like a really long blog post, and I really want to get it done by tonight because I want to have my weekend free to do fun things. Oh my gosh, the traffic on the other side of the road is so insane right now. What the heck? Anyway, this is probably not a very flattering angle for me, so I'm gonna leave you here, and I will see you at sushi.
Have y'all seen my jawline? It's been back since I lost 40 pounds.
It's been back! Our boy Raj is here all the way from Chattanooga. Just happens to be in Orlando with us right now.
Are we in Orlando? I thought we were in Gainesville.
We're in Orlando now.
Feels like we're in Chattanooga.
Dude,
So
Josh was so
freaking
sweet.
It seriously feels like we're in Chattanooga
It was
because
so
Raj is
nice
here.
to drive. Isn't he the perfect, like...
He's the perfect specimen.
I'm just a perfect specimen. Tell you that myself.
I mean, look at that face. Like, how many people
tell you
can pull off
that
that
myself.
mustache? It's like
Only
Charlie
him.
Chaplin in the 21st century, except this one doesn't wear makeup. Because he's got that perfectly chocolatey brown complexion.
Chocolate
I'm
brown.
Indian, and he's got better brown skin than me. How did you land this one, Soph?
I don't know. It's a great question. We are at Earl's. I came here with Macy in Vlogmas day, I don't know, 5 or 6 or something. We are here for dinner, and my brother Trent and his friend are coming to meet us. Should be a great dinner.
But also, you know, the other thing, after losing 40
excited.
pounds, it's like without having to work out, I have muscles again.
Really?
So they were there the whole time. I just needed to.
Yeah,
like,
they
let
say
them
abs
breathe.
are made in the kitchen. That's what they say. I wore my fluffy blue jacket, but it's actually not even cold. It's just like barely warm.
Cars and coffee.
Good morning. Welcome to a new day. I actually realized that most people do Vlogmas starting on December 2nd. So like they vlog the first day on the 1st of December and they post Vlogmas day 1 on December 2nd. And I started a day early, which I didn't realize. So today's Saturday and I'm not posting a video today. So I can just like be on track with everyone else for tomorrow. Yesterday's vlog was like not very much of a vlog because I only filmed a couple little clips here and there, but I think that's good because then I'll just be on track with everyone else. I think today is going to be a very good day. I'm excited to finish up our Christmas shopping. Also, Josh and I need to go to Ikea because my dad is having us pick out all the furniture for his apartment in the Caribbean, which is really cool. He's starting a beer company in St. Martin, which is the most amazing little place in the world. And so he's just got a little apartment there and there's no furniture in it. And he doesn't really have time to like go shopping for all the furniture and stuff. So yeah, I've already ordered a ton of stuff from Ikea to be shipped there. But we just have like a couple little extra things. Also, I realized that I've worn this shirt probably 10 times over this Vlogmas. And I don't even care because it's my favorite, most comfy, amazing shirt in the world. I got it from Urban Outfitters and it comes in like 10 other colors. But yeah, I definitely need to get more colors because I've like worn this out already. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then we're gonna go. Makeup is done. I don't know if I want to wear a hat or what I'm gonna do with my hair. There's blue tape on the door here because they're painting the outside of the house. Josh is trying to tell me that we're not gonna listen to Christmas music on the way to the mall. What song is that? Is that a Christmas song? If it's not, I don't want to hear it. back at Earl's again. We got the Impossible Burger to share with garlic fries. Look how cute how they split it. Ikea, here we come. We did really well with our Christmas shopping. We got almost everyone done. We just have to do a couple more little things, which I think we're actually gonna get done tonight, so that'll be good. It's only 6:30, but it feels so much later.
It does, yeah.
I feel like I was gonna say something else important. Oh, we went to Earl's again. It's so funny. That's the third time that I've been there during Vlogmas so far. We shared the Impossible Burger and it was delicious.
We really need
It's
to
kinda
share
creepy.
most of our meals. There's no reason for us to get like...
We always share our meals.
This is where the US is just a little messed up. Unless we're super hungry, then yeah, sure, fine. But really, honestly, 80% of the time,
Yeah.
we shouldn't be eating more than that.
No, I agree. Josh and I 99% of the time will share a meal when we go out to eat because first of all, it's plenty of food for both of us, like always, like literally always. Second of all, it's way cheaper. It's literally half the price, which is great. The best part about it is we always want the same thing on the menu. It's actually funny, like we never disagree. And if we do, which is very rare, then we can just get our own thing. So bad. Josh just stabbed me in the eye with his finger. We barely survived Ikea. It's now 8:15. We're just leaving Orlando and we're gonna go to the Target in Claremont. Finish up there. I'm so tired. I literally could fall asleep if I close my eyes. Children, listen to the white Christmas. We're gonna have a white sandy Christmas.
Yeah.
Not a snowy Christmas. We're going to the beach for Christmas.
Look up the child. You say look up the child. Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
What's it done?
12:59 a.m.
Bit done.
It's way past my bedtime. I'm gonna finish my tea and go to sleep. We had a really good, productive day. Got lots of Christmas shopping done.
Oh, see you tomorrow.
Can't keep my eyes open.
Good night.
Good night. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.